Hey friends, and thank you so much for tuning in with me, Latisha McKinney, and welcome to Designing with Latisha McKinney. All right, friends, we are going to do this beautiful blue centerpiece today. It's going to be so absolutely stunning. I am so excited about it. So remember that everything that you're going to need will be in the description box down below. So let's get started in today's tutorial. Now the first step, friends, what we want to do is cut our flowers, and we want to make sure that we leave at least a ½ inch, okay? So leave at least a ½ inch for your flowers. So the next thing that we're going to do, friends, is take our floral foam, and then we're going to take some hot glue or E6000, whatever you want to use, and we're going to take a round Dollar Tree candle holder mirror, and we're going to adhere those together and make sure that it is dry. Now the next thing that we're going to do, friends, we're going to flip it over. Once we flip it over, friends, we're going to then take our candlestick stand or taper stand, and we're going to bond it to the bottom of our floral foam. Now friends, this is the technique that I'm going to do. I am not going to leave you guys out. I'm going to show you guys what I did. Now I just added a beautiful brooch right here. And then for this flower, I do not have any greenery on there. The next flower is going to have greenery on there. So that's my pattern. It's going to be greenery, no greenery on there, okay? And that's the technique that we're going to just follow out through this tutorial. It's going to be very, very easy. And then up here, I'm going to show you guys at the end of it how I'm going to do the very top of it. So let's just finish it on out very quick and simple.